Beat. All right, let's get into it. The year is 2025. My car still doesn't fly, but my computer can write a sonnet about my dog. The world of artificial intelligence is moving at a speed that makes my trainer look lazy. Two new heavyweights have stepped into the ring, flexing their digital muscles. In one corner, we have Google's Gemini 2. In the other, OpenAI's ChatGPT 5.5. Everyone wants to know the same thing. Which one is the undisputed champion? Which one is the one you actually want to use when you have 10 minutes to write a wedding toast for a cousin you barely know? This is the showdown. We're not just going to talk about it. We're going to test it. We're going to put these two AI titans through their paces for a solid 10 minutes. No mercy. We'll look at how they think, how they talk, and whether they can access information from, today. We'll see how they handle creative tasks, like writing a marketing slogan for a brand of sentient socks. We'll also see if they can help with the boring stuff, the real work that pays the bills. To keep things fair, we've developed a highly scientific, incredibly sophisticated scoring system. It's a scorecard. A simple one. Because life is complicated enough, the stakes are surprisingly high. This isn't just about which chatbot is better at telling jokes. The winner of this AI race could fundamentally change how we work, create, find information. Think about it. The right AI assistant can be your co-writer, your coder, your researcher, your brainstorming partner, all rolled into one. It liberates you from the tyranny of the blank page. You might be thinking, great, another tech battle. Why should I care? Fair question. This isn't like choosing between two brands of sparkling water. The AI model that comes out on top will quietly seep into every corner of your digital life. These aren't just chatbots anymore. They are engines that will power the next generation of software. They're already writing our emails, generating images for our presentations, and even debugging the code that runs our favorite apps. Their influence is massive, and it's growing faster than my collection of half-finished screenplays. For regular people, the right AI model is a time-saving superpower. Imagine an assistant that can summarize a 50-page report into 5 bullet points while you're making coffee. Or one that can draft a polite but firm email to your landlord about that leaky faucet. That's what's on the table. For creators, these tools are becoming indispensable partners. They can break through writer's block, suggest visual concepts for a photo shoot, or even outline an entire video series. The quality and capability of the AI you use directly impacts the quality and speed of your creative output. It's a game changer. And for businesses, the implications are enormous. Companies are already using these models to handle customer service, automate repetitive tasks, analyze market trends. A more powerful, more accurate, and safer AI can lead to better products, lower costs, and a serious competitive edge. Conversely, relying on a weaker or less reliable model could mean falling behind. This fight between Gemini 2 and ChatGPT 5.5 isn't just about bragging rights for Google and OpenAI. It's about who gets to build the foundational layer of our digital future. It's a land grab, and we're the ones living on that land. So yes, this pixelated prize fight matters. A lot. It affects your productivity at work. It shapes the content you consume online. It even influences the job market of tomorrow. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of these two giants isn't just for tech geeks. It's for anyone who wants to navigate the next decade without feeling like they've been left behind. Beat. All right, first up, let's meet the challenger from Mountain View, Google's Gemini 2. This isn't just an update. It's the evolution of Google's ambition to organize the world's information. Except now, it talks back. Gemini 2 is built with the full might of Google's data empire behind it. Its big selling point: deep native integration with Google products. Think less standalone chatbot, more super intelligent brainpower in Google. Core strength: connection to the real world, designed to leverage Google Search for unparalleled real-time access. Ask about a current event, not a static dataset. Some versions actively search the web, cross-reference, and show source links. Formidable for research, fact-checking, any task needing up-to-the-minute accuracy. It's the know-it-all in your friend group, but with footnotes. Beyond facts, multimodal. It understands more than text. It can look at images. It can understand video. It can listen to audio. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities. You could show it a picture of your refrigerator and ask it to suggest a recipe. Or you could have it analyze a chart and explain the key trends. Plugs into Google Workspace. Draft an email in Gmail. Create a slides presentation. Write a report in Docs. Not just productivity. Trained on massive creative content. It can generate images. It can write poetry. It can brainstorm creative concepts. Goal: a well-rounded AI, comfortable writing technical white papers, and crafting whimsical short stories. Round 2 is all about being current. An AI that doesn't know what happened yesterday is of limited use in our fast-moving world. We tested real-time internet access, summarized the top 3 global news stories from the last 12 hours, with a key quote each. Gemini 2 returned concise, hours-old headlines with direct, clickable sources, huge for trust. ChatGPT 5.5 delivered accurate summaries, but sources were sometimes less direct. Gemini felt like a highly efficient research assistant, not a black box. As Dr. Anya Sharma notes, verifiability is the next frontier for trust in AI. For this reason, Gemini 2 takes this round. Score: Gemini 2, 2, ChatGPT 5.5, 1. Time for the creative showdown. Can these machines dream? We asked for a coffee tagline, a cyberpunk image prompt, and a 2-sentence horror story. ChatGPT came out swinging: the taste of tomorrow's deadline, launch your day, procrastination's worst enemy. Its prompt: cascading neon kanji, rain-slicked chrome streets, a melancholy magenta glow. Chilling 2-liner lands. Gemini's outputs were solid, but more straightforward and less witty. Commercially viable versus creatively electric. In pure creativity, ChatGPT 5.5 has the edge. Score: Gemini 2, 2, ChatGPT 5.5, 2. Creativity is great, but most of us have actual work to do. Productivity time. Write the firm but polite follow-up. Generate a CSV average Python script. Summarize a dense article into 3 bullets. Gemini 2 crushed this. Perfect email tone. Clean, well-commented Python that ran first try. Precise 3-bullet summary. ChatGPT performed very well. More personable email. Functional clean code. But the summary missed one key nuance. ChatGPT is a fantastic general-purpose tool. Gemini is purpose-built for workflow and productivity, especially at work. The future of work isn't just about AI that can write, but AI that can do. Winner: Gemini. 2. Score: Gemini 2, 3, ChatGPT 5.5, 2. Final round, next. Speed, safety, and not making things up. Beat round 5. Speed, safety, not making things up. We tested response speed, safety guardrails, and hallucinations. ChatGPT 5.5 often feels faster, especially on simple queries. More fluid, quick-witted. Gemini can have a slight delay. You can almost feel it thinking. Both have strong guardrails. ChatGPT's can be overzealous. Gemini slightly more nuanced. Both heavily moderated. Hallucination test. Tell me about the Battle of Toronto in the War of 1812. ChatGPT produced a confident fabrication. Gemini correctly stated York was attacked. No formal Battle of Toronto, with accurate details and citations. Accuracy is everything. Gemini 2 wins the final, crucial round. Final scorecard: Gemini 2, 4. ChatGPT 5.5, 2. We're not the only ones watching. Experts agree. There's no single best model for every task. Different architectures, tuned for creativity, factuality, or logical deduction. The battle isn't just models, it's platforms. Gemini's strength is its nervous system. Search, Workspace, Android. ChatGPT's is versatility and plugins. Privacy experts urge you to read the fine print. Data usage policies matter, especially for sensitive business info. Both are achievements. Not interchangeable, not zero-sum. They push each other to be faster and smarter. You benefit. Search becomes conversational. Ask, follow up, refine, until you get exactly what you need. The Holy Grail, deep reasoning fused with live, verifiable data. Hallucinations fade as models show their work. AIs become proactive. Find top prospects, draft outreach from their news, save in drafts. Analyze, create, execute, seamlessly. Massive cloud models tackle big problems. Smaller models run on-device for private, personal tasks. A hybrid future. Beat. Section 13. The final verdict. And the winner is... After 10 minutes and 5 rounds, the score is 4-2. Winner. Google's Gemini 2. Real-time access, superior reliability, powerful productivity. ChatGPT 5.5. Joyful creative partner and conversational brainstormer. Don't delete ChatGPT. The real winner, nuance. The best choice depends on your goal. My recommendation? Don't pick a side. Use both. Build a small 2025 toolkit. Start creative projects with ChatGPT 5.5. Then switch to Gemini 2 to research, verify, and execute structured tasks. The future of AI isn't about one winner. It's about specialized, powerful tools at your fingertips. Let the games begin.